In this video, you will learn how to create this type of code animations in Snappify. Snappify is a tool that can help developers to create stunning code presentations with powerful animations. So you can set height and width of a slide that you want to create. For my case, I'm using LinkedIn, so I use the preset option where all the sizes are already available. You just need to click on your desired set. For example, in my case, I'm using LinkedIn, so I just click on 16:9, and then here it is the size that is automatically selected. I can also customize its width and height. I will just click on this color. Here I can see that I have two options, solid and gradient. From solid, you can just select any of your desired colors, or you can put the hexacode here. Just selected this color, and now I need a rounded shape. So in order to do that, I will just click on add form elements. Here we have options to add arrow, ellipsis, rectangle, or polygon. So I just click on the ellipsis, and here I am just holding the shift key and drawing this circle. Okay, here you can see that it is a perfect circle. If I don't hold the shift key, then this circle will not be in the accurate shape. So in order to keep this in the accurate shape, I will just hold the shift key and then just draw it. After that, I will just put it in the center, and I don't need any border, so I will just put it here 0, and I need the little bit of white color. So it's just the transparency that I'm selecting here. Now that we have the circle added, what I need is the code editor. If you want to add the code editor, you just need to click on add code editor, and here you can put the code. So I'm just adding the JavaScript code here, keeping it in the center, and here I can use this script.js. So the icon will get automatically added. You don't need to put the icons or any of these. Change this box shadow. Click on change box shadow and use any other that you desire. You can also put the custom value here, but I'm selecting this one. I need to change the font size, so I'm selecting the font size to 16. If I want this theme, I can select I'd want to select a different theme, which is Lucy or All Lucy. I can use the Lucy theme and just put it in the center. Now if I try to present it from here, you will notice that it is not the actual animation that I showed in the demo section. So in order to add that typing animation, what I need is just go here, just select that editor and go to the animation tab. Inside the animation tab, this code change transition is what I am talking about. So just click on here, and here from here just select typewriter. Now our work is done, and let's take a look at how it is working. So if you look into this, it just started without me to click on the thing, because on slides we usually click and then move to the second slide or move to any of the animation. So in order to set the trigger, what you can do is just click on this animation tab. Inside this animation, you can select this. What you want is the previous one, the previous element, after previous, or on click. I want it to trigger on click. Whenever I will click on somewhere else or I use the keys button, then the animation will begin. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and start utilizing Snappify for your code snippets, because it attracts the right audience at the right time at the right platform.